greatest human I have ever met, and I have only met one human, Amaze.
Last week, I brought Rocky to life using a Raspberry Pi and a local LLM. The response was incredible, so thank you for all the support on that build. And you guys had some amazing ideas for where to take this project next. RedDB pointed out that text-only responses just weren't enough. Rocky needs to talk. Taking it a step further, this guy here, 17, actually dropped a roadmap in the comments on how to make Rocky talk using a voice cloner and text-to-speech model called Piper to keep things lightweight enough for the Pi. I love that idea. So today, we are putting it to the test to see if we can get the actual Rocky in the palm of our hand. There are ready-to-use Piper models that you can download. So my first step was to see if I can get the Piper working on the Raspberry Pi Zero with a reasonable response speed. I tested a low and a medium version of the same model. I couldn't really notice a huge difference between the models, and the low model was a lot faster, so I decided to go with that.
Hello, this is the medium model. Hello, this is the low model.
Then I ended up testing different voices.
Why is a school teacher in Space Question?
This actually reminded me of that scene from the movie where Grace was trying to find the right voice for Rocky.
Why is a school teacher in Space Question?
Why is a school teacher in Space Question?
I always try to keep my builds easy and reproducible if you would like to make your own version. The rest of this video is about training a custom voice model, which takes time and resources. But if you need a quick fix of Rocky, there is a way to do that. Go to Hugging Face and find this piper-tts demo. You need to upload a short sample of the voice that you would like to clone. Then, add the transcription of the sample audio clip. After that, you can enter the phrase you would like to generate, and then click the magic button.
Hi Lahiru, why room so messy question?
Okay, it's time to follow the plan from the comment and build a Rocky voice model. To train a custom Piper model, you need a reasonable amount of sample audio clips. In this case, at least 500 different audio samples. I don't have access to that many. So the next option is to create a voice clone using piper-tts using a single sample audio clip, and then use that to generate 500 random phrases. After that, I can use the generated audio samples to train the Piper model. And that's exactly what I did. My MacBook Air cannot run any of these models. So I made a Google Colab to clone Rocky's voice using a short sample audio clip. After some trial and error, I was actually able to generate 500 random audio samples.
A picture is worth 1,000 words of description. Hello, Lahiru. The desert sand was hot beneath the midday sun's glare.
My next task was to somehow use these samples as input to train a custom Piper model. So I created another Google Colab with Piper training libraries. I did not want to create a model from scratch because that would have taken forever. So I decided to pick an existing voice and train it to sound like Rocky. After another set of many trials and errors, I was able to get the training process going. I'm new to this. I don't know much about training voice models, but from what I have found out, if this chart keeps going down like this and coming to a stable settle, that's a good sign. I was also able to take snapshots of different versions throughout the training process to run tests. Here are some samples of the progression.
Why is a school teacher in Space Question? Why is a school teacher in Space Question? Why is a school teacher in Space Question? Why is a school teacher in Space Question?
Here's the base model before training.
Dirty, dirty, dirty. Lagaroo. Why ruin so messy question?
And here's the base model after training.
Dirty, 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 Lahiro, why room so messy question? Why is a school teacher in space question? Who is Lahiro talking to question? Can hear. Who are you talking to question? Yes. Lahiro say you can hear this. Yes. Hello Lahiro. Hello Lahiro friend. Amaze, amaze, amaze. We saved the world today question. Dirty, 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 why room so messy question? Rocky hates Mark. How much astrophage do you need to question?
And yes, it still works with the local LLM. What's up, Rocky?
Fist my bump. What are we doing question?
What do you want to do today?
Lahiro. What a great question. We need to study the astrophage more. Amaze, amaze, amaze.
Rocky, what do you think about the universe?
The universe is so big. So much to explore. So many stars. Amaze.
Thank you for watching.
Did you enjoy this video? Like. Makes Lahiro happy. Fist my bump.
I'll see you in the next one.
Thumbs up, baby.